Welcome back. Pradesh Congress Committee asked Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to recover money from the mine owners who are allegedly involved into Goa mining scam. Committee spokesperson Alex Reginald along with Sudipta Mankar came down heavily on Parrikar on law and order situation in state. Referring to Prudent report on high fiscal deficit vis-a-vis RBI analysis, Congress party claimed that Goa's financial situation is deteriorating.
खरी म्हणजे एक जर इलिगल मायनिंग तर गोंयांत जाल्लेले जाल्यार तेचेर कारवाई करून जे मायन ओनर्स पळय तेंचे कडसून खंय तरी रिकवरी गव्हर्मेंटान स्टार्ट करपाची गरज आसली पूण खंय तरी आयज सत्तेर जे पळय सरकार आहा भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे तेचे संबंध मायन ओनर जे आहा तेंच्या वांगडा बरे आसलेल्या कारणान सरकार रिकवरीक खंय तरी एक टायम काडपाचें एक धोरण अवलंबून दवरता सरकार डिले करता टायम काडपाक आणि ह्यो पळय जे ट्रान्सफरीचे पळय सत्र चालू केला पुलिसांचेर दबावाचे राजकारण पळय चालू केला सरकारान खंय तरी आमी मागणी करता की होम मिनिस्टर ह्या नात्यान मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर होम मिनिस्टर म्हणटणी आयज खंय तरी राजिनामो दिवपाची गरज आसा आनी मुख्यमंत्र्याक ती एडवायस दिता की लोना काडप आसता पळय आतां जवळ जवळ 650 कोटीचे लोन पावल्ले आसा काडला ह्या मुख्यमंत्र्याक आनी ती काडप कित्याक डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या कामांक काडप आसा स्किमी करपाक न्हू जो पळय हितून जाहीरनाम्यान पळय आश्वासनां दिल्ली स्किमीची ती पूर्ण करपाक लोन काडप न्हू हेची मुख्यमंत्र्यान दखल घेवची आनी प्रामाणीकपणान काम करून जे पळय सगळे विशय मांडल्या ते सुटावे करचे अशी आमी मागणी करता.
Now, the Health Department has started imposing fine to the shopkeepers for not maintaining the surroundings. They inspected the shops at Panji Kadamba bus stand on Monday. Shopkeepers at the bus stand are annoyed with this sudden action by the Health Department.
Health Department officials inspected Kadamba bus stand at Panji on Monday. They inspected the surroundings and imposed fine to the shopkeepers for not maintaining the surroundings. Shopkeepers were angry with the Health Department's sudden action. They claim that maintenance is not their job.
कचरा अलग से हम लोग पोती में भर के रखता है उधर मैं दिखा है हमारा कचरा अलग से भरा है वो कोई कस्टमर फेंका हुआ कचरा है बोल के वो मेरा कुछ भी बात सुना नहीं वो बोला डायरेक्ट फाइन मारा तुम्हारा लायसन्स किधर है किधर
आणि इतले शॉप इतले भाडे भरून आमीच मेंटेनन्स करपाचे जाल्यार कशें जातले चिंतूंक जाय न्हू सगळ्यांनी आणि आमी कदंबाक इतले सांगले की ते ड्रेनेज आसा तेजेर कितें तरी घालून बंद करा म्हणून आयकत ना.
Moreover, one of the shopkeepers raised questions over the receipt issued by the Health Department.
We have issued the inspection report. Doesn't have the rubber stamp, nor has the date. Now, what do we understand with this type of inspection report? Are they authorized?
We spoke with the health officer Mangala Tamba. She says it is the responsibility of each shopkeeper to maintain the surroundings of their establishment.
ते म्हणतात की आमकां आमी कितें करतले बिकॉज अशें म्हणून जायना तें की प्रत्येकाचेच मुखावेलें स्वताच्या घराचे भोंवतणी तरी निवळ दवरूंकच जाय न्ही तुमी ऑथॉरिटीचेर म्हणूं शकतात ऑथॉरिटी कडेन आमी उलयल्या ऑथॉरिटी करता म्हणटा तें सगळें जालें तरी सुद्दां प्रत्येकान सरावंडींग जेन्ना तुमी एक दुकान इस्टॅब्लीश केलें आनी जर आमी आरोग्य खात्या तर्फे NOC जर दिली जाल्यार आमी सांगतात तुमचें सरावंडींग निवळ दवरूं जाय ही एक अटूच आसता म्हणटकच ते सामकेच कितें आपली जबाबदारी ना म्हणू शकना.
A video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has warned that stringent action will be taken against fishing trawlers from neighbouring states entering the Goan fishing zone. He was speaking on the backdrop of seizure of 11 fishing trawlers at Goan on Sunday. Parrikar inspected Goan jetty on Monday.
What is required is a stringent punishment to those who violate. We want to give message to the rest of the people that this is not permitted. That's why we will not release the trawler. Let them get court orders and then only trawlers will be released. Actually, Karnataka should stop it from their side also. We will write to Karnataka government fisheries minister that they should stop this from their side because they will destroy Karnataka fishing also.
पयर माली हे जाल्ले तेन्ना तुमी कितें केल्ले म्हणजे ज्या स्टेटीचे ट्रॉलर धरिल्ले तांकां बी कितें धाडिल्ले तुमी
तांकां वॉर्निंग दिवन सगळें केल्लें आसा.
Earlier on Sunday, State Coastal Police at Betul had captured 11 fishing trawlers from Karnataka fishing outside the permissible nautical miles at Goan within Goa's fishing zone. The police succeeded in nabbing 11 trawlers. Almost 25 trawlers eloped from the scene due to lack of machinery and speedboats with the Fisheries Department. Seized 10 trawlers belong to Karnataka Udupi Malpe jetty, while one trawler is from Karwar. Our reporter from Kudwana, Pratik Parab. Bharatiya Janata Party has filed complaint against Iris Rodriguez for allegedly posting objectionable pictures of Jesus Christ on a social website. BJP spokesperson Dr. Wilfred Miskita demanded immediate arrest of Iris for hurting religious sentiments of Catholic community. Complaint was filed on Monday at Panji police station.
Support करता पळय इंटरनली जावंक शकना जाता की काँग्रेस आसा म्हणटा फाटल्यान पूण ते लोक तयार जाल्या आनी ते कम्युनल डिवायड कम्युनल प्रॉब्लेम गोंयांत करूंक सोदतात. इट इज शॉकिंग एज अ कॅथलीक फॉर मी म्हाका that one Iris Rodriguez has depicted Jesus Christ in a very obscene manner. I DGP complained केल्या की ताबडतोब ताका अरेस्ट करचो म्हणून. This is the most obscene picture of Lord Jesus Christ. Some time back, these same people have raised the issue of Portuguese nationality. आणि खरें म्हणल्यार तो इशू तो बीजेपीन काडिल्लो हे बॉब मारीत भोंवपाचे बीजेपी कम्युनल म्हणून की कॅथलीक लोक जे बर्थ रजिस्टर करता म्हणून तांकां लागून हो इशू हाडला म्हणून.
News website Goa Chronicle has also raised the same issue. Convener of the website, Savio Rodriguez, has filed a complaint against Irish with the DGP for the alleged act and demanded unconditional apology from Irish, or else has sought action from police against him.
The police take a similar action that at least gets him to apologize or penalizes him for what he's done, because he's not done either. You see, it's been on up for 24 hours. Putting up a poster of Jesus Christ showing a bad gesture is an insult to us Christians and Catholics world over. And Goa is a place that lives and preaches communal harmony. Why would Iris do something like this?
So he should be arrested if he won't apologize.
Of course he should be arrested. The decent thing to do is he should apologize publicly to people. If let me ask you this question: if it was a Hindu to do that, what would have happened in Goa by now? Or if a Muslim did that to a Hindu god, there would have been riots across India. Forget Goa. So what allows a Catholic to do the same thing to a Catholic community?
Meanwhile, Irish Rodriguez in his statement has dared BJP to prove the charges. He has accused Chief Minister of offending Christianity by comparing himself to Jesus Christ. Our reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.